Welcome to my channel. How to replace a lost passport? Paano nga ba natin papalitan ang ating pasaporte kung ito ay nawala? On this video guys, I'll share with you kung ano nga ba ang aking ginawa or ano ang proseso na aking ginawa to replace my lost passport. Kung ang nawala ninyong passport guys ay expired na, kailangan pa rin po natin kumuha or mag-declare ng lost passport at kailangan pa rin po natin gawin ang prosesong ito to replace your lost passport. Kasi if you renew your passport, you still need the actual passport or kailangan ninyo ang mismong passport for the renewal. Ang una po natin gagawin guys ay kumuha ng police report. Sa pagkuha ng police report, tatanungin lang naman po kayo ng police if saan or kailan nawala ang inyong passport. Mga detalye kung paano nawala ang inyong passport. So kailangan lang po nating isaysay or ikwento sa police kung ano pong nangyari at nawala ang ating passport, and then bibigyan po nila tayo ng police report. The second requirement po ay we need to have an affidavit of loss. So kailangan po natin ng affidavit of loss na galing po sa attorney's office. So if wala man po tayong pangbayad sa attorney for the affidavit of loss, meron naman po tayong makukunan ng libreng affidavit of loss, which is sa PAO po, Public Attorney's Office. Libre po ang kumuha ng affidavit of loss sa PAO office po. Kuha po ng ating affidavit of loss, meron lang po tayong fill up na form, and of course doon isusulat po natin ang mga detalye. That's why sa sinabi ko, it is better po na we kept a copy or i-scan po natin ang ating passport just in case po na mawala, we still have the details of it. Dahil sa pagkuha po ng affidavit of loss, lalagay po natin ang mga detalye doon. Replacing a lost passport is considered as new application. So aside po sa dalawang requirement na police report and the affidavit of loss, we need the requirements kung paano po mag-apply ng bagong passport. Nandun po ang birth certificate na galing sa PSA, or if you are a married person, kailangan po natin din ang ating marriage certificate na galing din po sa PSA. And of course, any government ID, any government issued ID, two of it, kailangan po nating i-attach. And after po natin na-comply ang mga requirements na yon, we don't need to have our online appointment kasi wala po siyang online appointment. All we need to do is to go directly to the nearest DFA or Department of Foreign Affairs. Pumunta lang po tayo doon and we will present our requirements of the lost passport at bibigyan po nila tayo ng form. Meron po silang actual na application form na susulatan po natin manually, hindi po tayo mag-online, and after that po, i-check po or i-verify ng DFA na officer ang ating mga requirement and ang ating pong application form of our lost passport, and after that, sila na po mismo ang magbibigay sa inyo ng appointment kung kailan kayo babalik for the signature, for the photo, and for the thumb mark po. Of course, you have to pay as well. Pwede na po kayong magbayad directly doon sa DFA for the processing. Never po na may mga kulang kayong requirements or merong mga aberya ang ating mga requirement, then the DFA officer will inform you of what is required in order to have replace your lost passport. Kasi on my case guys, nagka-problema sa aking birth certificate dahil hindi klaro ang aking pangalan on the birth certificate na galing sa PSA or wala siyang pangalan. So, I have to amend or meron silang ginawa na meron silang ni-require from me. So, I went to the lawyer and rinasas yun siya sa registrar's office. So, based on the requirement, kung kulang or kung kulang ang inyong requirement, then that's the time na medyo matatagalan kayo sa inyong pagproseso. But if your requirements are all intact and all complete, then it is considered as normal application of the new passport that it will take at least 30 days bago natin makuha ang ating passport. So that's very easy guys, kung paano natin i-replace ang ating lost passport. Kailangan lang po nating magkaroon ng police report, ng affidavit of loss, and of course, yung mga requirement nung una tayo nag-apply ng ating Philippine passport, which is the birth certificate from the PSA office, and if you are married, the marriage contract from the PSA, and of course, 2 valid IDs. Yun po ang mga kailangan, and the application form na i-apply or i-fill up pa ninyo on the DFA office itself. And after that, DFA office will give you the appointment on when you are going back for your thumb mark, for your signature, and for your picture. And as I always said, please make sure that all the details are correct. Please make sure that you have reviewed all the spelling of the details that you have written on the application form. Kasi if ever na po merong mali ni isang letra man po dyan, it will be considered as a new application pag na-print na po ang ating passport. And that's easy as that guys, kung paano tayo mag-replace ng ating lost passport. Isang paalala lang po, kailangan nating mag-maintain ng copy ng ating passport just in case po na ito man ay mawala, we still have or we still know the details of our passport. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood sa aking video. I hope this video helps you on how to replace your lost passport. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel guys, please click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell na rin para updated tayo sa ating mga next video. Because on my channel, I'll be sharing with you my interests, my travels, and if you have any suggestion guys, just type in below or comment down below. I'll try to make that video for you. Once again, thank you so much for watching and much love!